Hello everyone, welcome back to the Ivy's YouTube channel. As you can see from the title, today we are going to create an end-to-end AI agent from n8n, completely from scratch and perfect for the beginners. So let's get started. So as you can see this workflow that I've created that is connected with the AI agent and ChatGPT model. And this model, n8n will be help us to from a feedback from how you can send the messages. So let's jump into this workflow and create from a scratch and let's see how it's going to work. So once you log in into this n8n software, what are the things that you need to follow? Workflow, credential, execution, data tables. These are the multiple options you have. Now you need to come to this personal option, click on the create workflow. Now once you click on the create workflow, now this will be the Canva. We call this as a Canva where you will create all the workflows, all the automations and all. Now let's double click over here and give the name of your workflow. Let's say first AI agent. Okay, now once you click on the first AI agent, now these are the steps are built with AI. So you either you can take a help from AI or you can create from a scratch. So since we are going to create from a scratch, I'll click on the first this one. So what we are going to create, as you can see, as I told you, we are going to create a AI agent bot that will get a feedback from a feedback form. Once the feedback got received, it will analyze it. Based on that, it will divide this feedback into three parts, whether it is neutral, positive, or negative. And then based on accordingly, it will send those messages and based on the prompt, and all the data will be stored in the Excel sheet. So first thing, what are the steps that you're going to add? The first will be the form. First, you need to create a form. So you can create a form from the n8n. So this is the n8n form. Click on this new event. And this is the link where you can send to anyone who can access the form link and fill up it up. Okay, let's click on the none and give a title. Let's say feedback form and description. Let's say your feedback matters. And let's say click on the element. So in the element, the first thing you want to tell your full name. I want to get a full name. Add required field. There has to be option must be enabled because that has to be done by everyone. Okay. Then no element will be the optional. Full name, then your email address, required form, and then you can add the last one, which is the feedback. Okay, the feedback that you want to write, your placeholder, required field, and everything is done. Let's execute the steps. Now this form is done. As you can see, the form, the title of the form, the description, and this is the link that you can send to anyone who can access the form. Let's say my full name is Naveed and the email address will be the naveed@ivyproschool.com, and your feedback will be the I love the session. Let's say this is the feedback. Submit it. Now, once you submit the form, you will see the output of the form coming into this particular in this particular option. Okay, all the output will come over here. Now click on back to the Canva. This is done. Now what we are going to do now, let's say you receive all the feedbacks. Now you want someone to analyze it, right? So that's what's the come to the AI agent. So we are going to add a AI agent. How you can add? Click on AI agent and you can search the AI agent as well. Click on AI agent. Now in this AI agent, you want to say define below. Now over here, you need to write the prompt. So what prompt that you're going to write over here, I'll just give you this prompt, and this is the prompt that you're going to write. And over here, now you are the sentiment and analyzer agent. Analyze this. So mean this what? This feedback, right? So drag this feedback and drop over here. This feedback I want to analyze and return on the following: good, neutral, or negative. Okay. And then analyze negative feedback, negative sentiment analyze and analyzes negative feedback. So drag this up, paste over here, and there you go, everything's done. So this is the prompt that you're going to use. I will paste this prompt in the description as well, and click on execute accept, and then it's saying error. Now what you need to do exactly, you need to connect your sentiment analyzer to an AI bot. So if you click on AI bot, chat bot model, so over here you need to add a model that will help me to analyze the feedback. So I've given the prompt already. So what I'm going to do, I will add a OpenAI chat model. Now, once I click on the chat models, over here there will be option of called claim your free AI API. So there will be some limited OpenAI you will also get. Right now it's not seen my screen. You might got free 100 credits of OpenAI API. So you can click on that as well, or you can have your OpenAI key, you can paste it up and it will connect it accordingly. So I'll select an OpenAI mini bot and click on the n8n free optional API credits, or you can create a new credential where you have your API key and paste it and it will work. Now I'll click on this bot and everything's done. Back to Canva. Now the bot is done. Now, once this bot part is done, what thing that you need to do? You need to first add something called merge. Now, merge data multiple stream into both available. Now, what this is merge meaning? Okay, so merge will be combine all the outputs from the OpenAI. Okay, so we want to say combine all the outputs and combine by let's say I want to say the combine by 2 position. Okay, 2 will be the maximum, or you can say 3 position, 4 position, 5 position based on that, right? Let me select the mode will be the combine and matching will be the position number of 2. Okay, now all the input will be combined into one single particular merge. Okay, so once we created the merge step, what are the things that you need to do exactly? Now, this merge will be do what? It will merge all of the feedback, and then I want a connection between a direct feedback to the merge. So it will merge two things, the output and the feedback form, means whoever is submitting the forms, the name, the email address, everything will become merged over here. And it also merge the feedback, whether it's a neutral or positive or negative. Now, once this merge is done, what I want exactly, I want something, a step. The step will be divide your feedback into 3 parts. Now, why the 3 part? Because if somebody have a negative feedback, you need to send a mail to those who fitted the negative feedback. You want to tell them, okay, sorry for your uh, negative feedback, what else we can do. Or if somebody have a positive, you want to appreciate that. So there is another step that will have a message of appreciation, and there is a neutral one. So what is exactly you need to do? You need a switch. Now, why you need a switch? The switch will divide your output into 3 parts: negative, positive, and neutral. So that's how, and that's what we are going to do exactly in this particular step. So we are going to add a step, and there's one thing that we're going to add, which is called a switch. Now, in this switch, what are the rules that you need to find out? You want to tell, before you can tell, you can click on the execute the previous node. It will execute it, and let's fill up the form first. Let's say my name is Naveed at the rate ivproschool.com, and session, let's say feedback. I love the session. So this is the feedback, submit. So once the feedback is submitted, let me cross it off. Now you will see everything will be coming up over here. Now, in the rules, what are the rules that you will say? Now, rule you will say value 1. Value 1 means that the output you are getting from AI agents, it will come over here. Okay. Now you will say is equal to neutral, add another routing route. Similarly, you are saying this particular exactly is equal to, let's say, negative, add another routing. This output from AI agent is equal to, let's say, positive. So the output can have a 3 variety. So if the output is negative, if the output is neutral, if the output is negative, is the output is equal to positive. So these are the 3 switches I will create, and let's say execute this step. Now, go back to the Canva, you will see there have a three switches now. 0, 1, 2. Let me check. Neutral, negative, and positive. So if it is a neutral, what do you want to say? I want to send them a message through mail. To send a message through mail, you need to search Gmail and you need to connect your Gmail with your n8n. So in this Gmail, there are a lot of option on operation you can do. So I will search for the send message. I want the send message, and let's say Google account. If you don't connect with your Google account, you can click over here and you will see right now mine is connected. You can sign in with your Google and it's a account connected. Now, once your account is connected, what you need to send? So for whom you're going to send the message? That's what you want to say, right? So what you're going to do over here, I want to send the message. Operation will be the send to. In this form, you have option of called email address, right? This is the email address and this is the person which I want to send them a mail. Okay. Now the subject, you can give the subject, thanks for the feedback, and email type, you can say text, and you can write hi, let's say you can write text and you can just say hi, we, hi, hi, and you can just write the full name over here. Hi, the full name, comma, and then you can write, uh, thanks for sharing your feedback, and let's say we truly appreciate your value, and I use this is the I got from online. We truly appreciate your value and thank you for the services. This is for the neutral one, remember guys, okay? So you can add your, let's say, sincerely, sincerely customer team. Okay. This is the message I want to send when the message is negative. Okay. Now this is done. Go back. This is done. Similarly, I will create another one and I'm doing a fast forward because all the steps are going to same. The first one I'm creating for the neutral. Now I'm going to create for the positive and then I'm going to create for the negative. Now, once we have created three mails, the first mail for neutral, second for the negative, and third for the positive. Now, three mails is ready. Now, what are you going to do? Either you can click on execute workflow. It will automatically send them a mail first thing. Okay. It will works and click on execute workflow. And now you'll see is asking for the full name. Let's say my name is Rn, and the email ID is rn@ivproschool.com. Feedback: I don't like AI agent. AI agent class. Submit. Now you'll see all the workflow is done. It summarize it and it will check in this box. It will switch to the middle one because this feedback is negative, since it sent the negative mail to the person who have filled up the form. So that is all about the AI agents. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys created a workflow from scratch. And do let me know if you have any question in the comment box. Thank you for the watching this video. I'll see you on the next video.